buphi ubuntu lapho iphi inhlonipho lapho mozo uvele ukhulume ngokuthi inkonzo yamaNazaretha inobusathana. There was a point where ben consulta abantu, but I realized, it comes from me praying first. Then we moved until ultimately ngathwasa.
Greetings bafowethu, ngiyabingelela lapha ekhaya. Welcome ku Gifted Media. You know I'm always booming with a bomb quartet. Bafowethu, I like to thank support yenu, your comments. Bafowethu, thank you so much. I know you are always here tuning in. Thank you so much for that support that you are showing us as Gifted Media. And also, I would like to say, for those who are sending ama comment lawa amade with the nice messages, we see our funda lawa message and we really appreciate. But before we go further, please let me know, where are you watching us from? Usibukela ukephi? Maybe you are in Mpumalanga, KZN. Let us know, where are you watching us from? Bafowethu igama nguGifty Mabunda. I make sure ukuthi angihlali ngedwa kulesi studio sithi sichache izinto ezenkolo. But you know, ngizenza isiqiniseko ukuthi ngihlala nomuntu, and you will be surprised today ngihleli nobani, the queen. I don't know how to introduce her. I can say she's the queen, she's the mother. She's always on our screen. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to welcome the mother in the house. Unjani ma'am?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Ngiyaphila. Angazi ngiku-introduce ngithini, because you don't need introduction.
Akekho umuntu ongayidingi introduction, and I always feel comfortable when someone pronounces my name, and I always say it's yabona mangabe inkosi ifike, inkosi inembongi. Inkosi kuyasho ukuthi manje sekungena ubani nami. When you say my name, Dawn Thandeka King,
yes,
everything stands still, and even amazulu now, everyone emazulwini stands still, and the universe stands still, and they welcome me.
Welcome, Mom Dawn King.
Thank you so much.
We are here.
And you must always refer to me as Dawn Thandeka.
Yes.
Don't leave it out.
Yes. I will make sure.
Yes.
Sengifundile next time.
Ngiyabo.
Because cishe ngathi Mangcobo.
No. Because you see, then you're saying all other characters that I have performed are not important. I know that's the one that abantu abangazi ngawo. Kodwa abantu fanele baphinde bangazi nami ukuthi ngubani igama lami langempela, because I am not my characters. Ngiyazi abantu bayamthanda uMangcobo futhi lokho ngiyakubonga kakhulu, but it's important, especially because umuntu ubuyenza ezinye izinto ngaphandle kwe-career yethu yoku-actor. So
sure.
Khona bangayibuki TV that you would want to go into business with, that could be watching this podcast, angangazi ukuthi nguMangcobo.
Yes.
But they would be interested in knowing who I am and what I'm about.
Yes, but I think you raise a very important point, especially ukuthi we use amagama esiwabona ku TV, and some of them abafundi amagama, like after ishow kuzodlala ukuthi a cast,
credits.
Yeah, they don't read. Once kafika lapho siya jump into another side to watch something else.
Yes.
I think that's a very important point that you are raising.
Yes.
Especially ukuthi sazi ukuthi awusuMangcobo, uMangcobo from Kuzalo.
Yes. And also abanye baphinde bang-rename bathi Thandeka Dawn King. No, my name is Dawn Thandeka King.
Wow.
And there's a reason why umuntu eqanjiwe ngendlela aqanjwe ngayo.
Sure.
Yes.
I think kusithatha lapho ukuthi let's just siyazi ukuthi ungubani uThandeka, and also ukhulelephi, and yeah.
Okay. So ngikhulele endaweni ekuthiwa iseShowe, a very small town outside of Durban in the north of KZN.
Yes.
That's where I went to school, amabanga phansi ami endaweni yakwaMondi, and then later on mid-primary, then I went to a school called Little Flower Primary School, Elise Down, eShowe. And then there was a portion of my life that I spent in the Eastern Cape, which is why I'm able to speak fluent Xhosa. But they're very confused why I sometimes speak Xhosa, but Isizathu saloko is because I lived in the Eastern Cape from the age of 13 and I think sasabuya sengina 23 ekhaya. So we lived in the Eastern Cape for 10 years. And but being back and forth because being funde showe ngihambe ngivakashe ekhaya. And then I studied drama. Now it's called DUT. Ngesikhathi sethu it was called Natal Technikon.
Okay.
But after studying drama, because ama opportunities eThekwini of the industry enguyo abengekho kakhulu. So I went into tourism and then later into corporate, ngisebenza in the hospitality space.
Yes.
Bengikwa sales and marketing at a hotel group called Protea Hotels.
Yes.
And then mang move to Johannesburg. That was when then I started my journey kule industry enguyo. But lo mjigajiga was just because I didn't have an opportunity ekuqaleni. Nakhona it wasn't like I came to Joburg ngazama ngahluleka. No. I stayed in KZN, worked there for a while. And then ngase ngiza ngapha ke sengizongena ke kwi-industry manje, because also you need to have an agency nezinto ey'kanjalo, which is what people don't know. Abantu bacanga kulula, akulula ukungena kwi-industry.
Sure,
There's a
sure,
lot that you
sure.
need to have. You need to have patience, you need to have the talent, you need to be able to polish your skills. Futhi, don't just say I'm talented mina ngizongena ngenze, because it's not all characters that are going to be easy for you to portray.
Yo, that's so powerful. That's so powerful. Your answered even question that I was about to ask, especially.
Okay, sorry, have I just...
No, it's fine. You are saving time for us. You are making me ngibuze more wama question. And then ukulele elo Eshowe, which is in Eastern Cape.
No, Eshowe is in KZN.
KZN.
Yes.
Then isiXhosa.
Angithi ngiyasho ngithi there's a portion of my life, 10 years of my family's life, which was in Eastern Cape, Mthatha.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Because my father had, he was a lecturer, a music lecturer at the then UNITRA. Now I think it's called Walter Sisulu. And my mom worked at a hospital there. So my parents were working in Mthatha, which meant ukuthi samuva nabo because of work. But I went to school in Mthatha for 2 years, which meant I learned the Xhosa language early in my life, which is why ndikwazi usithetha nyani for real.
Sure.
Xhosa. It's not like... And also, but also when you don't practice the language every day, obviously I'm not updated ukuthi isiXhosa zangoku ukuthi sithethwa njani eMthatha, but mina I know how to
speak.
isiXhosa. Yes.
Sure. Welcome.
Thank you.
That was the intro.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't say. And then I've got 5 children. I'm divorced and I have 5 children.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
That's part of the package of who I am.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you are taking me, I will be like, oh, you divorced?
Yes, I am.
Oh, it's a recently thing? Or?
No, it's been a while.
Yes.
Finalized in 2019.
2019?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I think it maybe because like Kaya got gifted media, we are interested in your belief.
Okay.
Yeah, especially because I'm a character sometimes, a portrayer in that certain of an actor, and also sometimes we believe it is. But we like to know your own belief. I know you industrial acting, there is no way you say you are neutral. You need to be trusted somewhere. Maybe yes. So I think maybe if we can ask ngokwezenkolo ungasibeka kuphi?
It's a big chunk of my life. And I know a lot of people have heard me. I mean, I've spoken on podcasts about my calling and about who I am spiritually.
Wow.
I have a very rich foundation in spirituality. I was born and baptized in the Lutheran Church.
Wow.
Which is where my grandfather was a priest and later on the Archbishop of the Northern KZN region. So I was raised in the church, literally. And most of my acting started in the church because I was involved in church plays, in the choir. So in being born in the Lutheran side of the church, I have a father's side. Because the Lutheran side is my mother's side.
Okay.
So on the father's side, Ngwagwashembe, which means Isaiah Shembe, the founder of Isondo Lama Nazareta,
yes.
is my great-grandfather.
Wow.
Which means Ilanga Lamalanga, who took over from Umqali Wendlela, J.G. Shembe, is my biological grandfather. So I've got these two very conflicting schools of thought.
Sure.
Because they are both very conflicting. And I will say this because when the missionaries came, they spoke, I won't say they spoke badly, but they wanted to convert Abantu into that form of church. You know, the
Yes.
different types of churches that came with the missionaries, Ama-Luther, Ama-Anglican, Ama-Wesley,
Yes.
Lao Masonto Lao, which were the first churches abelungu abafika nawo. So that is iside la kwaMalelo.
Sure.
La kwababa umqali wendlela naye, he had his own journey, and a lot of people know this, ukuthi he had his own journey with inkolo. Waqala wayongena esontweni, but find out ukuthi une gift, but it's a different gift from the gift yesonto le yokushumayela. Okwakhe ukushumayela kwakushumayela okunokwelapha phakathi, okunokuhila phakathi.
Yes.
You know, so so umoya oyingcwele wawumholela ukuthi aqale yakhe ijeni.
Sure.
Eyiqale yakhe ijeni, it was completely different from the ones ama-missionaries ayefike nalo nemfundiso yama-missionaries, nemfundiso yama-missionaries kwakuhlukile.
Yes.
And so kwangazi ukuthi yena akenzi kahle akusiyinkolo le, but at the end of the day, I think into eyayenziwa umqali wendlela kwawukuthi wayelandela umoya wawumhola, okungumoya oyingcwele, umoya wokuthi uthi ma uconvert umuntu into inkolo, introduceni kuNkulunkulu umuntu, ube wena ungamshintshi ubuyena.
Wow.
Ungamshintshi ukwenza kwakhe. Ungathi ngoba umuntu ewumZulu enza izinto ezithile zakhe zakwaZulu. Ukuhlonipha amasiko akwaZulu nazo zonke izinto zakwaZulu. Busufika wena uphuma ngaphandle kweAfrika okokuqala.
Sure.
Busuzongena wena, busuzuthi wena i-wrong lento yenzayo.
Sure.
Wena awumazi uNkulunkulu, umkhonze kanje ngami, khipha ibheshu, khipha isidwaba, faka isudu, faka ingubo, ukuze uNkulunkulu akurecognize.
Sure.
Umqali wendlela wayethi ke cha, uNkulunkulu akazasho ukuthi ngishintshe from lokho engiyikho.
Sure.
Ukuthi mina njengoba ngiwumAfrika ngihlala kwaZulu, ngizoshintsha ukugqoka kwami ngoba uNkulunkulu akangirecognize the way engigqoka ngakhona nangendlela engenza ngakhona.
Sure.
uNkulunkulu kanti wayengibekeleni emhlabeni, kanti washo lanthi angibese emhlabeni, kanti ngizoba wrong endleleni engimkhonza ngayo. Ngoba isintu siyamkhonza uNkulunkulu ngendlela yesintu.
Sure.
So inkolo yamaNazaretha, inkolo yakwaShembe, inkolo based on isintu.
Wow.
Nezifundiso zayo zonke zithi funda ukuhlonipha isintu nesigaba saso isintu, because khona isigaba sobuncane, isigaba sokukhula, isigaba sokuba mdala.
Yes.
Esintwini siyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani singabantu abamnyama. So lokho he was really just saying, yena he believes ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungene kuye wamthuma ukuthi abantwana bakaNkulunkulu ababuyisele endleleni ukuze bamkhonze uNkulunkulu, bamkhumbule uNkulunkulu ukuthi ukhona. Kodwa hayi ukuthi kushintshwe
Sure.
ububona.
Amasiko.
Xesha lapho ke lento, never mind amasiko, ubuwena.
Sure.
Mawusuthi amasiko usujule kakhulu, ubuwena nje.
Sure.
Ukuthi wena nje obunjena nje khona ozothi kuwena, unless ufaka isudu uNkulunkulu ngeke ukwazi ukumkhonza. Uyayizwa the way ngitshela ngakhona?
Yes.
Unless ushintsha ukwenza kwakini endlini yakini ngeke umkhonza uNkulunkulu. Uzothola umuntu esethi yena mina ngiye emisebenzini makwenza imisebenzi ekhaya because mina ngikhonza uNkulunkulu.
Umzalwane.
Kanti benzani laba, benzani ukwenzani lokho? Wena usungcono kunabazali bakho wena.
Sure.
Usungcono wena kunalaba your forefathers ihlweleza kini ungcono kunazo uyakhumbula wena ukuthi behind you bangaka abantu abezemva kwakho
Sure.
usungcono wena kunabo bonke laba bantu usuthi wena okwenzwayo to appease them okwenzwayo ukuze bakhunjulwe because asiwakhonzi amadlozi
Yes.
siyabakhumbula balele
Okay.
siyaba acknowledge ukuthi they came before us awuyilutho wena before laba bantu
Sure.
if bebengekho ngaba ukho uNkulunkulu couldn't have just dropped you from
Heaven.
isibhakabhakeni
Sure.
ukhona wena because abakini babakhona so mina I think then I get bese ngibastucky ke mina between two schools of thought
Sure.
a school of thought that says sikhonza kanje and ukuze ukhonza uNkulunkulu fanele ugeze uvuka ugeze ugqoke uhambe esontweni uyomkhonza khona mangidecide ngiyohlala phansi kwehlahla ngikhulekele phansi kwehlahla kusho ukuthi mina ngimkhonza uNkulunkulu
Wow.
because uNkulunkulu phela kusho ukuthi uhlala esontweni
Sure.
mangeke ngafuka mina ngathi ngiyomeditate phandle in my way okukhonza uNkulunkulu angimkhonzi ke kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu mangihamba ngiyemsami ngiyophahla ngiqale ngikhuluma nabakithi bese abangikhulumela noNkulunkulu eventually bese ngiyathandaza ukuthi angimazi mina uNkulunkulu
Sure.
ngiyayeke mina ngibe conflicted lapho because firstly I come from two schools of thought
Yes.
I needed to make these schools of thought because these are my families it must all make sense to me remember both these religions both zisebenzisa iBhayibheli
Yes.
elilodwa
Elilodwa. Yes, that's
ukukhonza
true.
uNkulunkulu oyedwa through two different people
Sure.
then it becomes a thing of mase ngizalwe lapho ke nina wemina mase ngizalwe lapho what then do I do ngizothi ubani onjani and then I get to have my own gift my own gift then says you will combine these two together
Okay.
and it automatically if I have a gift I have to make it ukuthi ngicombine these two things ndawonye
The two sides.
two families
Sure.
zicombine ke kima ngithi
Yes.
with two schools of thought
Yes.
mina with my gift ngenze njani ke on top of all of it I have my own gift
Sure. Sure. So ngiyezwa futhi ukuthi you just ukhulume into is very interesting especially ngama beliefs especially now I'm become so attempted ukuthi to share with you this ukuthi kunobaba owathi uShembe isonto kaSathane which I was sitting with him athi yena uShembe abanye bebamthuka without information bebamthuka without any idea but I'm interested to you because you said your biological father even the forefathers they are the founder of inkonzo kuthiwa ama Nazareth so and now you define ukuthi une calling take us to your calling like na calling ivela una ngaki and how do you welcome your calling
okay so it was 2019
okay
when I discovered that I had a calling and then umuntu saya kuyeqala because remember I have no ayikho akekho umuntu one calling ekhaya akekho umuntu ke ngizothi wasebenza nge calling noma listen the founders of the umkhulu wazange ayifound isonto lamaLuthela but he has a gift of ukushumayela nokuthandaza
yes
ngapha kune gift yokushumayela nokuthandaza nokuphilisa that's the gift that I have I think it is very difficult for abantu bakithi first of all to navigate ukuthi umuntu makuthiwa une calling okokuqala nje kusuke kuyipi leyo calling because ngaleso sikhathi kwayena usuke confused because leyo ntakaze adlule kuyo and akazabone umuntu ekhaya esebenza kuthiwa umuntu osebenza ngegift mhlambe yokwelapha ngokwendabuko noma yokwelapha ngokuthandaza
yes
angikaze ngibone umuntu ekhaya into engiyaziyo ukuthi I come from two families abakhulekayo abanesiphiwo sokukhuleka
sure
you know what that translates to in terms of me and my calling I didn't know then I know now
yes
so obviously mawuthi ne calling uzohlupheka ngokomoya uzohlupheka ngokuzakuhlupha into ngokomoya you have to get help
Sure.
ambothola umuntu osamthola ekuqaleni umthandazi who made it clear ukuthi okay this is the gift that you have mina ngizozama ukukusiza ngaso so then we moved until ultimately ngathwasa ekuthwaseni kwami still ukuthwasa kwami na I understand ukuthi abantu they didn't understand what type of gift I have. Babehamba ngokwendlela yokuthi uma umuntu eze kuthina edinga usizo ngokwakwamoya simenza kanje. Nami and my family, without knowing all of that, we went through that journey. And that was an interesting journey because everyone was learning. I was learning. So sihambe ke this journey, but then kuchaze ukuthi no, my journey is more a gift of ukukhuleka.
Okay.
My journey is more a gift of ukusebenzisa kwa iBhayibheli. Abathandazi bazongizwa mangithi khona into ekuthiwa ukusebenzisa igift yeBhayibheli ukwazi uku-explainela umuntu inkinga yakhe ngokweBhayibheli.
Yes.
Kuthiwa unkathu leyo nto leyo. Muvula eBhayibhelini uvule to amavesi azwayo ukuchazela lo muntu isimo sakhe.
Yes.
That's the gift that I have. Without ngilokhu ngizichaza ukuthi gift yami ihamba ifikephi. That's the gift that I have. I have the gift yokukhuleka nokusebenzisa amanzi ukwelapha abantu nokusebenzisa ke lezi zinto ekuthiwa iwasho ukulapha abantu.
Okay.
I think what often disturbs me is ukuthi kuyayithiwe umuntu nje onobizo akabalwa nje njengomuntu okholelwa kuNkulunkulu. I will let you know mina ukuthi igift yami has led me to uNkulunkulu so much in that awukwazi ukulapha abantu ungakhulumile noNkulunkulu.
Okay.
Awukwazi ukulapha umuntu ungakhulumile noNkulunkulu noma ngabe lo melaphi uwenze njani noma ngabe isangoma noma ngabe yini awukwazi because all of that ultimately kuphuma kuNkulunkulu.
Konke kuphuma kuNkulunkulu.
So
yes.
mangabe ngizozwa kuthiwa kukhona umuntu othi abanikazi besipho sami on my father's side because
Yes.
phela lesi sipho kushuthi ngisithatha ekhaya komama ngisithatha ekhaya kobaba. Kuthiwa abanikazi besipho sami umnikazi waso isipho sami owaqala indlela wakhombisa ukuthi kunesipho waqala indlela kaSathane ukuthi yonke lento wayidlula kuyo ngokusathana. You don't understand how offensive that is.
Sure.
Firstly, you're not just offending the church
Yes.
amaNazaretha, you are
Yes.
offending umndeni wakwaShembe.
WakwaShembe, yes.
So into ebhlungu ukuthi kulezi insuku wonke umuntu une freedom of speech. Ebese siyakhohlwa ukuthi kule freedom of speech fanele siphumbule thina ukuthi esintwini sethu contact uyinhlonipho nobuntu. Buphi ubuntu lapho iphi inhlonipho lapho muzovele ukhulume ngokuthi inkonzo yamaNazaretha inokusathana. Ukuthathela lapho wena lokho, ukushiswa yini wena lokho. Kuphuma phi kuwe lokho? U-experienceeni usubona ukuthi lenkolo ilandelwa abantu abazi inkulungwane neinkulungwane kangaka kanti balandela inkolo wena othi kaSathane.
Sure.
It's very offensive into enjalo.
Sure.
And I hope abantu ngelinye ilanga bayophinde bayikhumbula ukuthi bayabantu abamnyama.
Sure.
Siyabantu abanenhlonipho, sabantu abangacwasani. Mase sicwasana sodwa kusho ukuthi seseyinsukwini zokugcina ngempela.
Sure.
Whatever that means ngempela seseyinsukwini
Seyinsuku zokugcina. Yo, mama ngiyezwa ukhuluma ngokuthi in your gift uNkulunkulu akuphe yona uye wayothwasa. But ukuthwasa it was not the main thing because you went there to learn, but igift yakho it was not more about.
No. I never want to put it ukuthi it wasn't the main thing. There's no main thing here. There's a journey.
Yes.
I'm still on that journey.
Okay.
The journey was because ngifike ngihluphekile kanje ngokomoya. Ngizoyiswa lapha ekuthiwa khona ngizothola usizo.
Yes.
Ngiluthole lolo sizo. Mhlawumbe umoya usetlishe. Bese kuphinde futhi sekuthiwa ngihluphekile futhi ngokomoya. Ngendlela ekathile ngihambe ngithola usizo. It was a long journey, an expensive journey.
Sure.
But ultimately spirit evolves. Umoya iwona ozikhulelayo. Kusuke kwelashwa lokho kwelashwayo and also kuhlungwa nemimoya engekho right.
Okay.
So now could we be going through a process of ukuhlunga imimoya engekho right until kusale lokho kufanele kusebenze ngakho noma kusale lo moya noma kusale labo afanele usebenze ngabo kanti this thing into engekho right. So after yonke leyo nto ngizothi mina after se umuntu esethu sethwasile then begins the journey of you as a person or gifted ngegift yakho uyidiscover wena ukuthi hlobo luni ke lwegift lolu
Yes.
usuphila abasekho abantu laba kade bekusiza usuphila wena negift yakho nabantu bakini nomoya okuholayo
Sure.
uyabona
Yes.
usuphila nakho wedwa and then you begin to nourish yourself ngokwakwamoya every day ukuze umoya wakho ukhula umoya uyakhula ngeke umoya even umoya wokuthandaza fanele njalo you must be in worship you must pray on a daily basis ukuze umoya ukhule akwazi ukuyibiza ngokuthi mhlambe umzalwane mhlambe uyahamba wena isonto uma uhamba esontweni uyokhonza busekhaya ufika uyahlala awukwenza okunye you must be in continuous worship in continuous prayer in continuous meditation.
Yes.
iBhayibheli leli siyalifunda sonke akekho ongalifunda iBhayibheli
Yes,
kwaba incwadi eyafika kwathiwa izwi likaNkuluNkulu libhalwe encwadini abanye bathi ayikho indaba yeBhayibheli kodwa mangabe ufuna ukuyinavigate wena spiritually ngendlela ethile uyalisebenzisa iBhayibheli because
Yes.
lizoguide endleleni yakho yakwamoya indlela zehlukile
Sure.
and ngiyaye ngithi mina if lena yami ingakusebenzeli noma ungavumelani nayo it's okay everyone is entitled to their own opinions
Yes.
but if mina ngithi ngine gift and how I navigate that gift is by doing A B and C akuhlangene nawe lokho
Yes.
okwami
Sure.
the mere fact ukuthi siyakwazi ukufika sikhulume ngayo i-journey ye-spirituality is because angingedwa kule journey baningi
True.
sibaningi
True.
khona
Bayasizeka
abangakabizwa khona abasebebiziwe aba-confused khona besabayo because kuthiwa i-wrong yonke lento
Amadimoni.
amadimoni yonke lento it's okay if that's how you feel it's fine mina
Sure.
ngikuluyise bandla mawuzongithuka uthi busho njengoba abantu besho nje ukuthi inkolo yakithi le
YaKwaShembe.
yakwaShembe kaSathane kulungile mina ngizosho into eyodwa ngithi kulowo muntu nje ayinkosi imbusise ngendlela efanele imbusise ngayo
Sure.
ngoba thina sinawo amandla okuyilwela
Sure.
yena mayesazile yena ukuthi lokho akushoyo ku right it's okay but mina when I navigate my journey I have to navigate it on both sides
Yes.
ngasekhaya komama nasekhaya kobaba
Yes.
which means leyo nkolo plays a big role in my spiritual journey nenkolo yasekhaya it plays a big role in my spiritual journey and I don't sit on these platforms to try and justify anything I simply just educate ukuthi mina this is who I am and this is what I follow
Yes.
angizile langa njengomuntu odinga usizo cha ngidinga usizo I'm fine
True.
mina I can go to church and worship God the church leli wonke umuntu alamba and worship God and feel ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngiyeza ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona la
Sure.
we are in the presence of the Holy Spirit ngiyakwazi lokho so in spirituality fanele ufunde ukufunda ukhule ngokomqondo nangokwe wisdom yakwamoya before ukwazi ukuvula umlomo wakho ukhulume
Yes.
funda be a person esizokwazi ukuthi when you sit in meditation for months and listen to yourself and listen to what's happening within you because it all happens within us when we listen to ourselves iqiniso sizolithola sizolazi
Sure.
then ukuthi sicabanga ukuthi yonke into is here the physical world ayikho
Sure.
siyazi ukuthi ayikho yonke
Sure.
lento it's all in our minds
Sure.
yonke lento le
Sure.
so singajwayeli ukuhamba criticizer because akekho wakwavala amehlo wayeseyabuya
Sure.
wazochaza ukuthi
sivela
njoba
somewhere.
sengihambile nje sekunje akekho wakwakwenza lokho
Sure. Mama, I'm interested ukuthi as much usho ukuthi kunabantu abasabayo today abanesipho and I believe ukuthi now the time you recognize igift yakho ngo-2019 I believe ukuthi it was not easy especially because we all knows you asiyakubona TV nasiyakubona kumabona kude and
no it wasn't 2019 it was 2009
2009
yes that was before ngene kwi-industry
yes
Yeah.
so how come ukuthi now usuyahamba uthe wase 2019
no
2009
2009
yes then how like I believe ukuthi kunama challenges kuneinkulumo and everything maybe kumuntu ohlele endlini manje une gift as much usho ukuthi lo muntu uyasaba or une gift efamily yakhe they are not welcoming igift leyo what are the ways ongam advise ngayo lo muntu loyo
ukuthi akhumbule ukuthi gift yakhe akusiyona yabantu bakubo akusiyona yabantu mayengakakuhluphi futhi kushuthi that's why usanaka abantu fanele izikuhluphe ikuhluphe kubone ukuthi okay it's between me living and me dying. Mangakakuhluphi ikukhombisa ukuthi fanele uye kuphi. Ayikakakuhluphi.
Mama, there is a different types of gift. We define some, they are prophets.
It's different types of gifts because each human being has a gift.
Yes.
Some gifts are more powerful than other gifts.
Okay.
But we are all gifted. Akekho umuntu wafika evula izandla yena. Sonke safika sifumbethe something.
Okay.
So we are all gifted.
Yes.
In our own different ways.
In different ways.
Some of us vibrate higher, some vibrate lower.
Yes.
Which means when you vibrate higher, it means you must use that gift for something.
Yes.
Do you understand what I'm
Yes,
saying? So
yes.
akekho umuntu ongenayo gift. Sonke we are gifted. It differs ukuthi go i-vibration ye-gift yakhe vibrator either low or high.
Yes.
Yes.
I always make this an example ukuthi uma sizalwa izandla zethu zizalwa ziyenze kanje, which means something.
You are gifted something.
Yeah.
From where you come from, ufike nento ethile.
Yes, that's true. Everyone is gifted.
Yes.
So, Mama, when you are gifted, I think we need to, maybe for you, Uguti, how do we describe your gift? Mina, I can be
Mine.
Yes. Mina, maybe I will say, I'm a prophet, I'm an evangelist, I'm an apostle, like there's a different. But for you, how do we describe your gift?
I don't know how to explain that to you. My gifts, there's a lot of gifts that I
Okay.
have. I'm a gifted person.
Yes.
Firstly, my gift is the gift of, like I said to you, the gift of prayer and the gift of spiritual conversation, because in a spiritual conversation with someone, I am able to then tell you your things.
Yes.
I am in a conversation, not to go to, there was a point where being consulta abantu, but I realized, it comes from me praying first,
Okay.
and then me having a conversation with you and just telling you why you are here and what needs to be sorted out in your life. So there's that gift. I guess that you would say it's a prophetic gift.
Wow.
And then there's the gift of, my gift of performing comes along the lines of that gift as well, because clearly then yonke into it's a gift of ukukhuluma. Everything yami is on my tongue.
Yes.
Kusho ukuthi ngina bathi sinesithunywa solwimi.
Okay.
Isithunywa solwimi lesi sikwazi ukuthi umuntu ukhona ukumphilisa ngokumthandazela, ukhona ukumphilisa ngokukhuluma ukuphila phezulu kwempilo yakhe. So I think that is why also I'm an actress, because acting instrument yethu ebaluleke kukho kakhulu. Okay, firstly it's our body, but then it's also our voice. So I use my voice to earn a living. And also I have a gift of using my hands.
Wow.
The gift of the hands is firstly when I lay my hands on you and I pray with you and for you, then that's how I heal. You know, it's through the energy that comes from my hands.
Sure.
And then my hands also, I will use my hands to earn a living. Ngiyakrosha.
Okay.
And I have a business for that.
Wow.
So
Wow.
I don't know how to explain most of my gifts. I have gifts, yes. Other
Yes.
gifts I will never know, because maybe asikafiki isikhathi awaka-unpack, uNkulunkulu akakavuli. Ngithi as we grow kuyavuleka. There's also a very important gift that I've just received recently, a gift of wisdom.
Oh, wow.
Because in wisdom, that's where you have the spirit of discernment. Fanele ukwazi ukuhlukanisa ukuthi yini engikwazi ukisho, yini engingakwazi ukisho. Yini ekufanele ngiyenze, yini engingafanele ngiyenze. Yiphi indlela, le ndlela i-wrong ngani le ndlela mangiyithatha, i-right
Sure.
ngani le ndlela. The spirit of discernment.
Sure.
So that comes with wisdom. Ukurecognize ukuthi ngine-gift ye-spirit of discernment. Because leyo nto ibalulekile ukuthi ukukhula lokho. Akusiki ukukhula ngokwenyama.
Wow.
Once you are wise, akusho ukhule ngokwenyama. Kusho ukhulile spiritually, ukhulile mentally through the experiences that you've gone through empilweni.
Sure. Yo, that's so powerful. You are gifted. You are really gifted. And also, I just want to ask, Baze, when you say you have many gifts, and now there is an actress in you, ngapo ya actor and ngapa. I think some way, I don't know how to ask this, but nokubona ngathi most especially abantu abaku acting industry, they struggle to recognize their gifts because we know them, and maybe for a character that you are portraying in that time, and then we're like, hey, what if you are acting while you are doing that gift, as you are saying, you are praying for people, but I'm thinking because you can act it.
Then it means then you don't understand what a gift is. We can't cross-pollinate gifts. If I'm acting, I'm acting.
Yes.
If I'm praying because of that energy that is here with me.
Yes.
If I didn't tell you about the gift of selling.
Wow.
I have a gift of selling, which is why I'm here with this brand.
Yes.
Which is why currently I've recognized Uguti as, well, I recognize this as an actress in an environment that is struggling in South Africa. Our industry is really struggling in South Africa. And our industry is struggling because, one, we are not regulated. Two, okay, when we get paid, maybe it's good money, but it's not money that can sustain us even when we don't work. When you have done a project for maybe 11, 12 months and you don't do another project for the next 6 months, there's nothing to sustain you.
Sure.
So that is why when I came across a brand like Superior,
yes,
I took that with both hands because it also uses one of the gifts that I have, a gift to sell to people. In fact, it's not just selling, it's also making people realize that we cannot survive from one stream of income.
yes,
We need to survive from multiple streams of income.
Sure.
If you're still surviving from one stream of income, it means you are earning very well.
wow,
But our current economy and our current situations, they are saying that you need to have another stream of income.
Sure.
So these perfumes that I am convincing people to buy, I'm saying be in business with Superior.
Sure.
Buy perfumes to sell. Firstly,
everyone wants to.
everybody wants to smell good, but perfume is very expensive.
Sure.
The brands that are sold at shops are very expensive.
Sure.
And for us to be coming with a brand of perfumes that are from the original brands.
Yes.
These are from the original brands. They smell just as good. And the reason they smell just as good is because they're oil-based. And for me to be saying they must buy that, it must say, I use that all the time.
It's a gift.
Did you hug me or did you shake my hand?
I
Did you hug me? Did you smell how good I smell?
True.
You see, then you must smell good as a human being. Emhlabeni. So when I start selling perfumes to you, it means I'm saying let's get into the business of making people feel confident about themselves.
Yes.
Number one. Because
Yes.
when you sell perfumes, you're selling to people that are going to eventually come back to you and buy over and over again because they've received that many compliments from people.
Sure.
Wow, you smell nice.
Sure.
And so as another gift, that's a gift of business. That's a
Sure.
gift of have that business mind. If this is not working for me, then I must add this. But selling is a gift. Marketing is a gift.
Sure. Yes, I think you have touched something. I think we have more time today to talk about these brands today. I think we believe we have more time. We'll explain one by one. Don't worry. One by one, we'll be touching one by we have more time for that. But I think you have touched something also in that. But kule gift, nangu muntu une gift. The
Yes.
question came back to me. How do you balance it with, and maybe I'm working as here in Stan Studio. There is a gift now. Maybe for example, I have a gift yokuboniswa. Nangu muntu uyangena and ngiyaboniswa kuye lowo muntu loyo. So how do I balance that?
Okay, so that's the reason why people, they go for ukutwasa. Ukutwasa igama elithi ukutwasa lisho ukufundiswa.
Yes.
That's why uhambe uyofunda and unavigate-ke, umoya wakho uqoqeke, umoya wakho usebenze ngendlela edisciplined. Because awukwazi ukuthi uhambe ubonela wonke umuntu, uhamtshela wonke umuntu ngezinto zabo.
Sure.
Awukwazi. Kuyaye kwenzeke lokho umuntu uma esese stage in very beginning stages of the calling. Ukuthi kuvele ukuthi nje tshela lo muntu ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi. But when you've gone through the process, usuthwasile, usufundisiwe, nomoya wakho nawe njoba ade ngisho ukuthi you are the one that has to navigate yourself mawususele wedwa ekhaya. Uwenze sure ukuthi uyavuka uyathandaza, uyavuka uyaphahla, uyavuka uyakwenza konke lokho kufanele ukwenze. I-discipline iyakhula.
Okay.
You have to be disciplined because until ube sendaweni yakho yokusebenza awukwazi ukuphuma uhambe utshela umuntu ukuthi abantu ukuthi manje nakho sekuthiwa wena hamba ohlaba izinkukhu.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
O nangu ugogo wakho umila eduze wakho ufuna ukukhuluma na. No. I-discipline ibalekile kubantu abanomoya. And that is why uzwa abanye abantu athi I can't do it on camera. Uzwa abantu abalaphayo bethi no angikwazi ukuhlahlubela on camera. That's not what I do. Mina ngifike ngizokhuluma nge-information ofuneke wena uyizwe kuphelela lapho hayi ukuthi mawusumbuza umuntu busuku ukuthi manje nginenkingi ukuthi kubo baba mina cha. Leyo sekufanele kuhambe umhloniphi umuntu negift yakhe.
Wow.
Njengokuthi umfundisi asikwazi ukuthi umfundisi hambe shumayeza abantu eTexini. Asho umfundisi ulinda isonto Sunday for people to go to church uzame phambili kwabe pulpit. Why then do you think ukuthi umuntu ngoba nakhe negift umbona umuntu efaka ubuhlalo nombona umuntu efaka ispeaker neduku elithile noma into ethile busu nini wena sewufuna ukwazi information ethile hamba uye endaweni yakhe uye etempelini la asebenza khona uye endumbeni yakhe uye wherever la asebenza khona hamba khona uyofuna leyo mbuzo musukukhekeleza because abantu ayitsha bafuna ukubonwa beyongena lapho kuze kuthiwa haya sikubonile angesha abanye baye ebusuku abanye baya njani
abafundisi ke lawo
if wena ufuna ukwazi hamba emini sikubona uyongena lapha yakwamthandazo ubani noma kwabani hamba ongena uyobuza lokufuna ukubuza ayikho into wrong ngokubuza ukuthi yini ongasizakala ngayo uma uzithola ukuthi unenkinga ayikho into wrong inkinga yethu siyathanda ukwenza izinto ezingekho wrong zibe wrong vele khona abantu abasebenzisa umoya for into ezingekho right vele khona abantu abasebenzisa khona umoya ongekho right vele asikwazi ke kodwa ukuthi sonke sibe mdibi munye naleyo nto leyo angikho mdibi munye naleyo nto because angusebenzisi lo moya ngisebenzisa umoya wokukhanya khona abasebenzisa umoya wobumnyama asifuni ukungena lapho sithi akungabi ngathi yonke into iyafana
akube ne different
just like churches amasonto awafani angisho amasonto awafani
yes,
khona isonto laseYon khona isonto lase St John's khona la kwaShembe khona la seMaromeni khona la kwabani ahlukene kusho ukuthi lamasonto nje obehlukene nawenzi kahle awamkhonza uNkulunkulu kusho ukuthi wena njengoba umuntu ubiziwe usiza abantu ungumelaphi wendabuko wena umkhonza uNkulunkulu kanti siqalephi ifoundation yethu yayikuphi savele sasuka nje sesonto esontweni sonke sonke safika lapha emhlabeni okhokho bethu bona bafika sebesonta kanti that is why behlezi bithi spirituality is a very sensitive subject. Religion is a very sensitive subject. It's because it is a personal decision for umuntu to embark on a particular journey. Albizelwe lolo hambo lolo nalolo bizo lolo lumbizele leyo journey. It's a personal decision. Now you can't be opposing a personal decision yomuntu opposing personal decision yomuntu yokuthi mina ngizokwemukela lolu bizo luthi angahambe ngalendlela. Ubani ke wena usuzothi hayi wrong leyo nje ayibizile wena nje ibize yena linda na ubizwe eyakho uma ungabizi uzwazi ukuthi wena kushuthi la emhlabeni uhamba nomoya have a foundation la umekhona ukuthi angisukla ungabi umuntu opheshula umoya nini sesikuthola eMaromeni nini wena usetshenzela ukusonta kwaShembe nini hayi sengaphuma sengiseMaromeni noma sengise John's
angithi ngifuna
ufunani lento ifuna ihlala kuwe fanele kuyithole ngaphakathi kuwe kuqala usukuyithola esontweni awusuyithola kumfundisi ihlala ngaphakathi kuwe lento ibekwe la isakhandwa khona kodwa ibekwe phakathi kuwe ukuze uma usuyizwa ukuthi siyavuka isiyavibrate. I spoke to you about vibration uyizwa ukuthi oh now I need to be embarking on 1 2 3 4 5 on this journey you will know ahambe ugxeka abantu on their journeys.
Wow, discipline,
very much so.
That's powerful because what you just said, especially angisagcilile discipline awuveli nje soyakhuluma and sewufuna ubeka abantu izandla but leyo ukuthandazela abantu eTexini leyo yokumerenkeni it's not angeke sithi maybe it's a gift that you have yokukhuluma nje.
It is part of a gift. Angisho ukuthi umuntu usuke ethunyiwe umoya umthumela ukuthi aye rank ayo kwenza njani nje ayo mhlambe uzozuza umuntu from that. Angithi basuke beyambela ukuthi baletha abantu esontweni.
Yes.
Ake sithi kumoya ongcwele usuku ukhulumile ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi umuntu akhuleke ngaleso sikhathi kuze lo muntu aye kulelo sonto.
Sure.
But I feel ukuthi umuntu makuthi mkhulekele, but give them the opportunity bayichoosele ukuthi bafuna ukuyaphi ngokwenkonzo. Ungamtsheli umuntu ukuthi inkonzo suitable ile.
Yes.
Because it might not resonate nalowo muntu leyo nkonzo leyo.
Sure. So umama usabalapha abantu, uyabalapha abantu labo. Kunendawo lapha kuyabantu.
No, I said to you, spirit evolves.
Okay.
I said in the beginning of my journey, I did consult.
Okay.
And then my journey then diverted and I came into this industry nguyo manje.
Okay.
And I believe ukuthi kwakuyona kuleyo journey, part of it is the healing. I heal through my acting talent. When you heal people, when you entertain people, you heal people. Because in making them happy, you are healing them.
Sure.
In making them resonate with what you are saying, you're healing them. So it's still a journey of healing people. I don't know where the journey is going. I said spirit evolves.
Sure.
Umoya uhlala endaweni eyi-one.
Sure.
There's a beginning, a middle, and an end. So khona la umoya uyakhona, khona la ungiyisa khona.
Sure.
Uyabo.
Yo, I mina ngiyafunda. And I believe you, my viewers, you are learning today. Yo, what a powerful. You are not, even you are in acting, you are still doing you are still serving God in the way uNkulunkulu akubize ngakhona.
Because ungibizele lokho.
I think an hour it's not enough to sit with you. We need to arrange another day. My viewers, asimbizeni futhi and arrange another day. You are really deep in spirituality. I can tell. Kuningi esikufundayo with the spirit. But because of time, let's just get to it. We see there's banners behind us, which is a superior. I would like Oguti just take us to that Iyini superior and also with the perfumes there. Yeah. And I can tell the studio is smelling nice today. Yeah, even it's smelling nice every day. But today there is a different smell, there's a different flavor.
Yeah.
Yes. Tell us ngale brand le.
Okay, so you did hear that I got very passionate about it and I started speaking about it beforehand.
Yes.
But it was also just to say, Guti, gifts, they come in different ways.
Yes.
So when I met, first I met, Uklapashe introduced me to Sam.
Yes.
Sam and Michael. Michael is the founder of the brand and Sam is his right-hand man. So when I met them, they introduced me to this brand. It's Superior Fragrances, and people would know because I've started speaking about it on social media,
Yes.
mostly on TikTok and on Facebook. And what we are doing here is we're encouraging people to get into business for sustainability, because people are really struggling. So after I've said to you, you can buy from us for 30 rands per bottle. So this is what I'm talking about.
Yes.
This is what I'm talking about. So you can buy this one unit for 30 rands.
Yes.
And
Wow.
so when you buy for 30 rands, we sell a minimum of 15 to you, right? And you can buy 15 for 450. And because you're buying online, obviously there would have to be a delivery fee of 65 rands.
Okay.
Then we deliver it to you at your door.
Yes.
For you to sell these perfumes to people around your area. So we can't have people that are going to say, abanayi msebenzi.
Sure.
If you can raise your startup capital of 450, or rather 515, because you then have to have the 65 rands for the delivery. We then can't. We can't say people don't have jobs or people are struggling with one stream of income. We are introducing here that idea of multiple streams of income.
Okay.
We are saying there are no either single mothers or single fathers that are saying, I'm struggling alone. I can't make ends meet one salary. We are saying have another stream of income.
Sure.
And so we are introducing this one. Superior abantu bazothi yini ehlukile ngeyakho because we always see
I was
these
about
ones.
to ask
Yeah.
that. Yes.
And then Superior, it's oil based. You do know that when perfume is oil based,
Yes.
iyahlala. Now this one is French oil based.
Sure.
So it makes it firstly the oil that is used to make the perfume smells good kwa yona self.
Sure.
And then you are going to mix it with the other things so that the original they recreate the original.
Yes.
So Lana, I've got Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel.
Okay.
So it's inspired by the original fragrance.
Sure.
So it's all the fragrances that you would buy from your retail stores.
Sure.
But we've just packaged it here for you, and it's 95% just as good enough. And
Sure.
it stays. So what I've done is I have made sure that I use it on a daily basis. And I often want to usmela kwami from ekseni to emini kunjani. And
Sure.
I find myself smelling just as good as the morning.
Sure.
Obviously, nobody smells just as strong as the morning until evening. But iyanuka for 24 hours. Ihlezi ikuwena.
Sure.
And this is the type of perfume, even when you wash your clothes, it'll still stay on the clothes.
Okay.
So we've got 40 fragrances, 20 for men, 20 for women.
Yes.
So the white ones are for females and the black ones are for males.
Yes.
So we've got 40 altogether, different types of fragrances. So, and the reason I'm passionate about it is because honestly, I love smelling good, and I know that nobody doesn't like to smell good.
Sure.
Yeah.
I give this paper, I wanted maybe to give us the flavors.
Okay, so
yes.
these are inspired, right?
Yes.
We've got Alien, which is inspired. These are for the women.
Okay.
Alien, Be Delicious, which is my most favorite. Be Delicious is by DKNY.
Okay.
And we've got Chanel number 5, Good Girl, Red Door by Elizabeth Arden. And for the guys, and I've seen that the guys, when I sell to them, the guys really love 1 Million. They like Desire. They like Hugo by Hugo Boss.
Sure.
They like Versace Eros by Versace. And Scandal by Jean-Paul Gaultier.
Sure.
So it's all the perfumes that you will know from your retail stores that sell at, my goodness, I don't know, going for 3,000, even more.
Even more true.
But what we're saying is we have made something that is inspired by those fragrances that smells just as good.
Sure.
And one of the days I'll actually go live on my Facebook and I'll just take you through each fragrance.
Please.
As into what goes into the bottle when
Sure.
we make the fragrance. The different types of scents that are mixed in order for the one fragrance
Sure.
to come out.
Sure.
You know, because it's nice for you to know what it is that you're smelling of. A combination of this and a this and a that.
Sure.
You know.
Yes.
So, yeah, I hope people are listening to the message behind it. We're just saying, besides smelling good and besides making people smell good, we're saying you have an opportunity
To start a business.
To start a business.
Sure.
To sustain yourself.
Sure.
It's for both men and women. I'm not going to say here, this is for women. No, it's for both men and women. Start your own business. And I'm grateful for those that have started. We've got a lot of people that have started that are still, my phone is full
Sure.
of WhatsApp messages that I need to get back to send the link to people that can't go through. The link is on my bios,
Okay.
both the Facebook and the TikTok bio. But if you struggle, there is a WhatsApp number on Facebook and on TikTok as well. Because a lot of people still, there's still a struggle with buying online.
Yes.
I know I'm not used to it.
not
And
for
up until I
everyone.
was involved with Superior Fragrances, I wasn't used to buying anything online.
Okay.
Now, when those people come to you, we also have Sam's number. The technical team is always on standby to assist someone that can't buy for themselves because
Yes.
sometimes there are technical glitches. You know, we do know Ogutama website, sometimes they have problems. So we do have a backup technical team to assist.
Yes.
So what I'm saying here is it's up to you, really.
Yes.
Nami ngisho njalo to myself, I was like, this is for you to fail.
Sure. So you just mentioned to Zoba Live also go TikTok and Facebook.
Yes,
just to give our viewers the contact.
Just to take one, I've told them already. TikTok
Yes.
and Facebook, they are aware of this.
Yes.
But what I'm going to do is just make it even more interesting by speaking maybe 2-3 times a week about just one fragrance.
Yes.
And what goes into this for it to smell as good as it does.
Sure.
What goes into making Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel?
Wow.
Inspired by, you
Sure.
know. So what I'm doing, I'm using, because I told you at the beginning, I was at sales and marketing.
Yes.
So I'm now using that skill now
Yes.
to sell this, to make sure good people understand that if you are not in business now, kule fourth industrial revolution,
Yes.
you are going to be left behind.
Sure. Sure.
Because now it's time for us to make our own money, and it's easy for us to make our own money.
Sure.
We can't be asking females, asking men, please give me girlfriend allowance. No, make your own girlfriend allowance.
Sure.
Here's an opportunity for you to be a business lady. And that is why relationships will breathe when people go into business. Relationships will breathe. The relationships won't be about the exchange of money.
Sure.
They'll be about everything else but money, because everyone will make their own money.
There are many accounts who named before igama lakho. So just to give them a proper one.
Okay.
Yes.
So on Facebook, I am Don Tandega King Personality. So it's my full name and then personality at the end. And then on TikTok, I am the real Don Tandega King. And you'll see there's a flag next to the handle. And on Instagram, I am Don Tandega _King. But mostly on Facebook, please, it's Don Tandega King Personality. If it doesn't say that, it's not my page. If it does not say, because I've got a page and then I've got like the normal Facebook account,
Yes.
which I don't normally use, because for business purposes, I use, in fact, I think they give to each other.
Yes.
The page gives to my personal account.
Okay.
But the page that I want you to pay attention to, because that's the one where I go live, that's the one where I talk about the business, is Don Tandega King Personality. Anything else, andiyazi.
Yes. In number, I don't know.
Oh, the WhatsApp number is 075-092-1263. And that number is on both my Facebook and on my TikTok account. 075-092-1263.
Just imagine chatting with a queen. That's opportunity. So if there's someone maybe Otiminam outside, are you able maybe outside the
South
country?
Africa.
Yes.
Yes.
Are you able to ukumsiza loyo muntu loyo?
Definitely. So what I do is, because the delivery services are not the same.
Yes.
For outside the country, it's the same. It's the same rates for the perfume, but
Okay.
it's not the same rates for delivery. So those, I refer them to the technical team, and I refer them to Sam's office,
Okay.
because then Sam knows how to then navigate the delivery system.
Sure.
Yeah,
Shout out to Mr. Sam. He's doing a good job.
he is doing a very good
Yes.
job.
Thank you so much, Ma. To sit with you, it's a privilege, especially for someone I'm always looking on the screen. Today, I'm sitting down with you, and I believe this is a blessing. And I believe I'm also gifted.
You are. You are.
Gift attract each other. There is no way gift cannot attract each other. But beside that, I really appreciate. And also, I will encourage our viewers, church members, especially those who go to church. I-prayer request yakho ingaphenduleka la, because starting a business. So I will encourage you, athathe nama-number and start a business. Ngihlala ngisho ngithi there is no one who will complain ukuthi akasebenzi, because if there is a business, that's umsebenzi loyo, because even uzohamba kusasa uye emsebenzini. You will go there, do a business. So you have a privilege to be a CEO ye business lakho by starting this business, uqale a business which it's very affordable, 450, right?
Yeah, and also when like we are saying to you, start from as little as 15 units, which is 15 bottles of perfume. Start from there and see. So, and you're going to make 100% profit because you buy for 30 rands and you sell for 60 rands. So that's 100% profit for you. So if you've made that money, ungayidli.
Sure.
Buy another one, another box, because then people will then say you are consistent because mabefuna perfume bazoza kuwena bayithole.
Sure.
So mabe bhatala ungayidli, buye uthenge enye, and that's how you start a business. Kancane, kancane, kancane.
Sure.
And you need to be patient in order for you to grow in business.
Sure. Thank you so much. We are akekho ongazwanga bathone ngendlela.
Hayi unendlela uzwile.
Yeah.
Unendlela uzwile.
True.
And also Gift, I think it's important for us to explain ukuthi when sometimes people say, why are you speaking English? I have a following across the world.
Yes, true.
I have a global following, and when we speak, especially when we post on our social networks, we are not only speaking to our people here in South Africa or my people in KZN.
Yes.
I'm speaking to people in the UK, I'm speaking to people in Ghana, I'm speaking to people in Malawi, in the US, in Dubai. And I have a following across the globe.
Sure.
So that is why I need to make that disclaimer.
Yes.
Why I figure out
English. English. That's true.
No.
That's true.
Is social media iti ukhuluma nomhlaba wonke.
Yes.
So wena mawufuna ukuzivalela ngaphandle mina ngifuna abantu bathenge le perfume ukuze mina ngibe right.
True.
Nabantu engisebenza nabo sibe right.
True.
Uthenga abantu from everywhere in the world.
Sure.
So wena mawufuna uzivalela ngaphandle uthi mawungena ku social media ukhuluma
is1 which
sangakini.
That's powerful. That's powerful. And as you mentioned, I ask where people watching from. You'll hear some they're watching from Botswana.
Yes, from
some
Russia.
You see? So it's very important, guys. It is disclaimer. Thank you so much. What is your last words?
Let's stay open-minded.
Sure.
Let's remember who we are. Singabantu, sinobuntu. Abantu besintu.
Sure.
Aske sibuyeleni lapho and be kind to each other. Because you will never know ukuthi lo muntu njobe umhlokolozile ngaloko sukushilo. What were they going through? Uthi uyakhuluma kanti sewuthe okugcina. So let's be kind to each other.
Thank you so much. Bafowethu eyami noma miphelela la umama uThandeka. And guys, uyabuya futhi. We are definitely going to take her back. Nale brand sifuna ukuthi abuye futhi, and also uthe uyachaza lapha ku live ukuthi kwenziwa yini next time uma kabuya akasichazele nathi la ekhaya ukuthi one by one kusho kwenzakalani. But we really appreciate for you for watching, and also we appreciate for team and also the superior. I ngiyantrust and nizobe busy ngawo. Be ube ready ama calls azobe ama WhatsApp nje.
Ama WhatsApp, ama calls no. Umuntu angafone.
WhatsApp, yes.
Angafone umuntu, because then imagine how many people there are that I still need to respond to.
True.
Because the reason I'm responding is because it's for that personal touch.
Sure.
Uguti, it is really me. Because people have been scammed in the past.
Powerful. Bafowethu, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Niyabona mus like haya, we always make sure ukuthi siniphathela yabo kunabantu nje but yabona mus siniphathela the high level gifted people and also talented. So please make sure you subscribe. Let's take this channel to another level. And also don't forget, we are also sponsored by Sense Studios. If you want to start your podcast, you want to start a show, you want to start anything, you're welcome like haya to come and shoot with us. We are affordable. From 400 rand, you can shoot something. So I really appreciate. Let's meet again to another episode. Thank you.